Alright, we're changing the U-joint on the driver's side, drive shaft axle. We got this one side already loose. I'll remove the snap rings, show it right here, son. I'll remove the snap rings that's inside right here, all on 4 of them. I got one cap loose. I tapped on it and then put a screwdriver behind it to try to get it to come all the way out. These are the pin bearings that's in there. We're not using this U-joint again, so we don't have to worry about those. I'm going to try to tap this side of the U-joint to get that cap loose on the other side. This cap is in here pretty tight. Alright, we got 2 of the caps off. The one on the other side of that first one, it's not wanting to come off of there, but we got 1 and 2. It just sucks that they're on opposite sides. Let's try to knock that one off. Right now I'm just knocking. We got it out of there. This one cap is still stuck a little bit. But you can see how rusty those pins and stuff in there are. There was no grease left whatsoever in there. That thing was bad. I'm glad I did decide to go ahead and change it. We still got to get it out of this side. But you can see even on that pin right there was no grease in that thing. So it was a good idea to change it. We'll get this side out, clean it up, and try to get the other one back in.
Done.
Still not wanting to loosen it. There it goes.
Got it.
Just got to hit a little hard sometimes.
Stop it.
Then your U-joint should just come out. We'll clean it up and replace it. Alright, we're going to put this new one in. Make sure you don't mess up your little pin bearings in there. I got the ones that are already greased. You can get them that not greased, but I heard that it's better to get them greased already. You set your U-joint inside there. And make sure your pin bearings are straight. And set that top back down on there. Make sure you use a flat side hammer instead of a ball peen, and just kind of tap it down. You want to tap it down just enough that you can see that groove on the other side where your snap ring goes. Be careful not to let it slide out and disturb your bearings. But you can see right there, there's a groove, well, you may be able to see it, and your snap ring will fit into there. You slip this side on, same deal, check your pins. Slide it on. You're going to roll it over. Looks like I need to go a little bit further with it. I'm going to go ahead and slide this one on. go ahead and get our ring on right there. I'm just tapping this side through. We'll get the snap ring on. There it is, replaced U-joint. Now we got to get it back in. The ball joints are in on the driver's side. This is done on the driver's side. We're going to put it back together and move to the passenger side.